Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is that you are the center of your own life. Let's get into the video. And if you are not center of your life, make yourself really fast. Because if the other person or someone else is the center of your life, then your life is not yours. It's theirs. And your happiness depends on the other person. If the other person is making you happy, you are happy. And if the other person is not doing to make you happy, doing nothing to make you happy, you're nothing. Your life become miserable. See, I know people are important in life. Some certain peoples are important, friends are important, family is important, everything is important, but not important as much as that you make that person center of your life. Because otherwise you won't be the driver of your car. No, the car that you own, you won't ride it, the other person will ride it, and that person can take your car on any way. So you should better drive your car by your own self and not depend on the other person. And see, this is also reason that you should be independent, that much independent that you don't depend on the other person. It's not only about the happiness, it's also about the financial stability. Like if you are dependent on someone else, like financially, you won't be able to do nothing by yourself. All you have to look up for them. You are the person who can create anything for yourself. If it's money or happiness, you can do everything by your own self. You don't need anyone. It's just we feel that you know like we need people and we should walk together and xyz, but things doesn't work like that. If you don't feel like that the other person or someone else is not making you happy and your life became miserable, you should have the ability to leave, because you can give your happiness too. And seriously, I personally feel that the only person who can fulfill all your happiness, can make you all your dream make can come true, is only you. That person is only inside you. Only you can make yourself so happy. And right, don't depend on other person or like anyone for your happiness. Like the other person will do the small things for me or like the big things for me, only then I will become happy. No, you can do everything by your own self. You can give everything to yourself, and for that you need to be financially independent and mentally independent. Like you should feel that I can do everything all by myself, I don't need anyone. And if someone is making you feel whatever, not making you feel happy, you should have the ability to leave. Why you are staying at that place which is not giving you happiness? You don't have to be at such place. You should leave that place right now. She is telling the same thing. Staying in a situation which is already worse can make you more worse person, because only you will do harm yourself. The one thing you will only do is harm yourself, nothing else you will do. So if you have the ability to leave, and you should be that person that mentally also if you feel like if you shouldn't be there or you have to leave, you should have the guts to leave. Don't dependent on other people, like for emotional stability also. Like don't, you can do this for your, like for yourself. You should do that. Like you can't kill yourself, you can't kill your inner child, you can't kill your mental peace, you can't kill your happiness. You shouldn't do that. If you feel like that you need to leave if that situation is not giving you happiness. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.